Naughty means matter, मतलब होता है to speak without regard to whether one's word may upset someone. To speak without regard to whether one's word may upset someone. To speak without regard to whether one's word may upset someone. New and then occasionally. Null and void, no longer valid, legitimate or enforceable. Null and void, nuts and bolts, the most fundamental or essential aspects of something. Odds and odd, miscellaneous things of no account, of no or little importance, of no avail, of or having very little or no benefit or use. Of and or intermittently, कभी कभार. Of color, looking or feeling ill. Of the hook, freed from one pardon of a blame or blame. Of the key, not in tune in music. Of the mark, inaccurate or wrong, irrelevant. Of the rail, in a state of chaos, dysfunction or disorder. Of the record, not recorded for official publication informally. Of and without preparation, extemporaneously. Of head on young shoulder, young person who act or speaks like an expert or experienced person. The old wives' tales, a myth or superstitious. The olive branch, a symbol expressing or gesture of a peace or reconciliation. On a level, equal in quantity or standard. On a roll, in the midst of a series of success. On cloud nine, in a state of extreme euphoric happiness. On edge, anxious and tense. On one's last leg, weak or in very bad condition. Now second thought, having reconsidered or revised one opinion of something. On tenterhook, in a state of anxious, excited or nervous suspense. On the brink of disaster, on the verge of getting destroyed. On the card, very likely or certain to happen. On the curve, with the promise that payment will be given in future. On the cusp, on the verge of the start of some major development. On the horns of a dilemma, struggling to choose between two problematic situations. On the level, honest, straightforward and sincere. On the same page, having the same understanding or amount of knowledge. On the spur of the moment, very suddenly and or without preparation beforehand. On the wrong side of 70, to be more than 70 years in age. On thin ice, precariously close to getting into trouble or danger. On the top of the world, extremely happy. On one's toe, alert and ready to act. Once and for all, permanently. Once in a blue moon, very rarely. Open book, one who acts honestly without no secret. Other fish to fry, other more important matters to deal with. Out and out, thoroughly ya wholly. Out of date, outdated, no longer in fashion. Out of character, unlike one's usual behavior. Out and elbow, wearing shabby worn out cloth. indicative of being poor, out of hand, uncontrolled, out of one's ear, no longer annoying or one's burden, out of one's bit, completely confused, out of print, no longer being printed and sold by a publisher, out of question, not possible, having no chance, out of sorts, slightly unwell, upset or annoyed, out of the blue, completely unexpectedly, out of the box thinking, unconventional, new and creative, out of the frying pan into the fire, from a bad situation into one that is even worse, out of the wood, no longer in danger or dealing with a particular difficulty, out of thin air, suddenly and unexpectedly, out of this world, extraordinary, very exciting or impressive, over and over again, again and again, repeatedly, over egg the pudding, to make something worse by trying too hard to improve a situation, pain in the neck, an irritating, aggravating or obnoxious person, things or situation, paddle one's own canoe, to act independently, paint the town red, to go out and enjoy, often drinking alcohol and dancing, pale into insignificance, to lose importance or value over time or compared to something else, Pandora box, process that once began generates many complicated problems, paper tiger, an apparently powerful but actually ineffectual person or thing, part and parcel, essential or fundamental part or aspect, past master, to meet the required standard, pass oneself off as, to pretend someone or something as something else, pass the work, to pass the blame or responsibility to someone else, pay old scores, to take revenge, pay on the nail, to pay someone immediately, pay through the nose, to pay an exorbitant amount of money for something, pecking order, the hierarchy within a group of organization, photo finish, any competition in which the contestants are separated by a very small margin, pick a hole in one code, to find flaws or negative aspect in something through excessive analysis or criticism, a peak in the sky, or an impossible, unlikely or fanciful idea or plan, a piece of cake, an extremely easy work, a pin money, a small amount of money used for treats or other minor expenses, pink slip, an order for dismissal, pipe dream, a dream or idea that is impossible to accomplish, plain sailing, a smooth and easy program, a play by ear, to make delicious decision about the course of action, a flexible way based on the circumstance rather than on rules, play ducks and dranks, to squander something, play fast and loose, to act carelessly, unreliably and irresponsibly, play havoc, to disrupt, damage or destroy something, play second fiddle, to take a subordinate role to someone or something, play with fire, to take unnecessary and dangerous risks, point blank, directly and to the point at an extremely close distance,